Then, to answer your question about Roadhouse, literally on the same night, Troy Huston was the organiser, Andy Collinson was AGM, and Troy went, "Where do you live?" And I went, "Oh, I've just moved back to Coventry." He goes, "You ever thought about moving to London?" I was like, "Yeah, in like 3 years' time, I'm 19. He goes, "Well, there's an opening here if you're interested." And I was like,
Wow.
Looking at the bartenders there, they're all mid to late 20s. One for a better word, just like, "What do you want?" But slick, you know. That was it. That was Roadhouse, but it was slick as fuck, fast as fuck, but not exactly. "How are you?" So I'm like,
they were the happiest group back then,
so I'm like, why would I fit in here? But I'm not going to turn down the opportunity. And then, they put me through the paces. I failed the cocktail test by 1%, and Aaron sent me home. He went, "No, you're not on the bar, mate."
Wow.
Because
back then you had to do a cocktail test, pour tests,
and front bar on a Saturday night in the busy station. Yeah.
And if you survived without crying, then you're in.
Even if you survived, it could still be a no. But I think no one's ever told. I think a lot of things were going for me. I think the Roadhouse were going to look. We can't just have all moody bartenders. We need someone with a bit of energy. And I think, this guy might fit the bill type thing. But like I say, I failed the cocktail test by 1%. They got sent home on the Friday night. They said, "Come back on the Saturday, you need 100%, and then we'll put you on the bar." I made sure I got 100%. They put me on the bar, and it was just that scene out of Cocktail, when it's just like, "Martini, a ding-a-ling, blah, blah, blah." And I just went, "Not ready for this."
Why didn't you just tell me it was a rum and coke? Could I have what I ordered?
An angel tip.
A white wine.
Hey, squirrel.
A friar tuck.
A ding-a-ling.
A white wine.
Hey, squirrel. Angel tip.
Dirty mother. Can I have what I ordered? All right.
And then I had a guy called, I don't know if you remember, a guy called Toby Harraway who was shadowing me, and he was great, He was just like, "Okay, take your time, try to do this, do this, do this." And I was like, "Why are they helping me? They all seem like so mean." And I got through it, and then they took me away for my lunch. Aaron Lum, bar manager at the time, former GM of the Roadhouse later on, and he said, "Full of bubble, how you getting on?" I was like, I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. I thought it was a good bartender. He went, "You are a good bartender, but just take your time. Do this instead of that. Do that instead of that. You'll be fine." Got through to 3 a.m. and then it was just like, "Your job's yours if you want it." And then they were divvying up all the tips. And I was like, "Oh no, try this, don't get tips." I was like, "Good one." And they're like, "No."
Yeah, exactly.
Right. And then